guys, welcome back again to my channel, Kalyani Putri channel. In this video, I'll show you my squishy and my slime together. I buy today. At this last day I meet my father. This is the last time I saw my father, and yeah, well, not last one until tomorrow he will go on to UK, United Kingdom, and yeah. So first of all, I'm gonna show you my squishy. This is my squishy and it's very expensive, but that's okay. This is rare, and also this is smells so good and slope, and eye bloom too. Very eye bloom. And I buy the slime things, like that, like ball for coloring and some, and this is all that I buy. Well, this is all of them in one place. It goes with the ball. The ball is really, the ball is really big and it's smaller. Let's get to the materials. Let's go. We start from the biggest, and it's the bowl. The bowl helps you to make the slime like something else. So it's just gonna be so dirty. Well, not really. And there's the food coloring, and I don't know why it's so watery. And I have no idea what is this too. There's the 2 cups for you to put the slime that already done. Put it here. And you can sold it. Yay! Sold it. That's glue. And this one is for to decorate, to make it crunchy slime is. And this is the glue for you to make it the slime. And this is the slime activator. Focus. It says Felix Squishy and Toy Shop. Sorry about this nail, cause yesterday I used pen ink and then the ink goes out and I have no idea. It gets stick to my hands. Anyone focused? And done. And I got Milo. That's not for me. That's for my dad. Oh, my dad is a hero. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to click the first link in the description. And don't forget to give a thumbs up to my dad, because he buys all of them. Bye guys.